Okay, guys, it's Allison here from learncrypto.net. Guys, I just want to give you my thoughts about Bitcoin. We've had a bit of a rise in the last couple of days, but my only concern here is yes, my long term outlook for Bitcoin is definitely bullish. But if you notice here, we have a situation where, price is increasing. Price is increasing. Um, you see price is increasing right here, okay, but we are having volume is going down, okay, and I'll show you what I mean by that one. Okay, if I clone that one and bring that one here, you see that the volume right here is going down, okay. If you check the volume from here, last couple of days, the volume is actually going down. Make that slightly bigger for you guys. You can see what I mean, that the volume is actually going down, okay. So this is why I'm not entirely convinced that that Bitcoin is ready for a big push. Yes, long-term outlook is bullish, but you can see we do have a bit of a divergence here, and this is telling us that this price increase is not supported by increase in volume. To give an example of what an increase in volume can do to Bitcoin, let's go back in March where we had this big volume spike here. You can see as big volume spike here. So what I'm trying to say here is that volume is a good indicator. Volume always precedes price. Now you can see this massive spike here and how that has led to this run we had up till about 12,000, almost 12,500 from lows of about 4,000, which was in March. So you can see the big massive volume spike that came in, and then we had that. So right now, I am not convinced that this price is going to be is going to keep rising. Now, if you also look at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see from the top here to this low here, Bitcoin has actually retraced 61.8. Bitcoin has actually retraced 61.8, and all in all. So let me try and put that very well and bring that to the top. Okay, so you can see where we are with Bitcoin. Sorry, do that again. So from top to bottom, right? So currently price is at 61.8 retracement, okay, which is the golden ratio. So to be honest, my thinking is that this Bitcoin is going to drop because what we've had now. I've talked about the Fibonacci retracement, which are the golden ratio, usually a reversal. So we've seen some rejection of the prices there around 11,500 from a high of 12,500. So we've already seen this one leg of the retracement. This is a correction, and I suspect we're going to see another leg down. Now, another reason apart from the volume and the Fibonacci, I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to come down, is that if you come to this website here, you will see that there's the long positions of Bitcoin is quite much compared to the short. So the summary is that we have people who are margin trading Bitcoin. We have over 75% going long, and just about a quarter going short. So if you know anything about contrarian trading, you know that the chances are they're going to liquidate all these longs by going short. So that's another thing, another reason I'm thinking that Bitcoin is going to come down. Like I said, long-term outlook is still bullish, but in the short term, I don't think the correction is over. And also, but then, should you sell? I would say if you wanted to, so I mean, basically speaking, I have mostly fiat now anyway, apart from the crypto I've kept for potential ICOs and trading with my bots and just trading. Generally speaking, I mostly have fiat, and that is because I sold around at the top here when this I use I last time I sold I use this fear and greed index. Um, if you see last month in August, if we go over in August, I'll tell you what we're just if we use 3 months to show you. So in at the end of August, we were in 83. That was about the time I sold, just late August, early September. The greed index was about 83, so sold then and it crashed all the way down. So I'm just waiting to buy. Technically speaking, I wait to buy when the price comes all the way down here. Okay, when the index comes all the way down here around 10 and 20, I'll begin to buy again. Now, if this correlates with a drop in Bitcoin price, then I can begin to buy back my Bitcoin and my alts. Okay, so this is my case of further Bitcoin price drop before we see an eventual rise again. Okay, so now the only thing that's going to invalidate this my theory for now is going to be massive increases in volume. See, volume has been going down steadily for quite some time. So as you can see here, so that is a big no-no for me. I'm not going to be buying any cryptocurrency actively for now because the volumes are going down. But if volume picks up, then we can look at other metrics and begin to make a decision. Okay. So it's Allison here giving you my thoughts on Bitcoin based on Bitcoin volume analysis, Fibonacci retracement, where I believe we have come to an area which is the 61.8 Fibonacci. You can see here, this has already retraced. I'm struggling with this, I don't know why. 61.8, like I showed you guys before, and also currently. So you can see where we are right now, 61.8 retracement. And also, if you notice, this is an area that acted as support before, but now potentially going to act as resistance. So if you are going to margin trade Bitcoin, I would expect that the side you want to be is on the short side, okay? And hopefully we might see huge sell volumes coming in, big green candles coming in to indicate selling. So based on my volume analysis, my Fibonacci retracement, my contrarian trading strategy, fear and greed index, I believe that Bitcoin has some downside to come before we eventually begin to move upside. If you like this video and you like this kind of analysis, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm making these videos more and more now. To try and help anybody who's new in cryptocurrency to understand cryptocurrency. In due course, I'm going to be talking about DeFi, smart contracts, and how you can interact with DeFi. There's several ways to make money with cryptocurrency. This is just a bit of technical analysis that's going to inform the other decisions I'm making about how I manage my cryptocurrency portfolio. Once again, it's Allison, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because it does help the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.